Welcome to our lesson on health issues and the effect of lifestyle. The key questions for today are 1. What is health? 2. What is a disease? 3. How do diseases interact with other illnesses? 4. What is a risk factor? 5. How do scientists study lifestyle and its links with disease? The key words you will need to know are non-communicable, interact, sampling, risk factor, epidemiological. Health is a state of both physical and mental well-being. This means that the body is functioning in a way that allows a person to achieve well-being in a physical and mental sense. Physical health may be affected by many factors, such as diet, genetics, exercise, and stress. Sometimes not all of these are within a person's control. Disease is a major cause of ill health. Diseases can be communicable or non-communicable. Non-communicable diseases can be caused by genetics or lifestyle. Communicable diseases are passed from one person to another via a pathogen. Some diseases can affect other illnesses. For example, a weakened immune system caused by genetic defects or other diseases could make people more likely to catch other infectious diseases, or make people more likely to be severely ill with another disease. Some viruses are linked to the development of cancer, such as the HPV virus. Sometimes when a person contracts a disease, the immune response becomes more sensitive and makes people suffer more with allergies. Ill health caused by any physical ailment can lead to poor mental health, such as depression and anxiety. Task: summarize the effects of diseases on health. Can you think of any examples of diseases? The onset of a disease causes physical effects and mental effects on a person, leading them to be in a state of ill health. Some examples of diseases include diabetes, flu, cancer, and cardiovascular diseases, such as coronary heart disease. Scientists and doctors study the health of different groups of the population using epidemiological data. This type of data identifies patterns between lifestyle choices and diseases. Some diseases have been linked with lifestyle choices. These lifestyle choices are called risk factors, and whilst they don't necessarily mean someone will get a disease, they can increase the likelihood. Task: match the following risk factors with the following associated diseases. Smoking increases the risk of getting lung cancer and coronary heart disease. Drinking alcohol increases the risk of liver disease. Fatty diet increases the risk of coronary heart disease. Obesity increases the risk of diabetes. UV radiation or ionizing radiation increases the risk of skin cancer. Lifestyle choices like lack of exercise and unhealthy diet are also risk factors for many diseases, including cardiovascular disease, cancer, and diabetes. Unborn babies are affected by their mother's lifestyle choices. For example, smoking and drinking alcohol while pregnant can cause a baby to stop growing or face problems when born. Extension: suggest how a person could reduce their risk of getting diabetes. A person can reduce their risk of getting diabetes by eating a healthy diet and ensuring they are a healthy weight. Most non-communicable diseases are controlled by several factors, some of which a person can control and others they cannot. For example, a disease could be caused by a mix of genetic reasons and lifestyle choices, such as drinking alcohol and smoking. A person can stop drinking alcohol and smoking and will decrease their risk. However, they may still get a disease due to factors that they cannot control. Cancer is an example of a non-communicable disease that can be caused by a range of factors. The factors associated with cancer are genetics, smoking, drinking alcohol, unhealthy diet, and exposure to radiation. There are different types of cancer, and some are thought to have slightly different causes. Cancer is the abnormal and uncontrolled growth of cells. The cells divide uncontrollably and form growths called tumours. There are two types of tumour: benign, when the abnormal cells occupy only one localised area, usually within a membrane, so they do not spread to other parts of the body. Malignant, when the cells invade neighbouring tissues and spread throughout the body in the bloodstream, where they can form secondary tumours. Task: state 2 risk factors associated with cancer. Risk factors associated with cancer are genetics, smoking, drinking alcohol, unhealthy diet, and exposure to radiation. Extension: suggest why malignant tumours are often more difficult to treat than benign tumours. Malignant tumours invade other body tissues, so spread throughout the body where they can form secondary tumours, so it's difficult to remove all of the cancer cells from the body. Benign tumours are contained in one area and can be all removed more easily.